Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. As you can tell by my voice, I'm a bit sick. I got COVID right now, so that's why my voice sounds a bit weird. But regardless of that, let's focus on this week's video. So I want to talk about cloud links and stacking. Before I talk about the cloud links themselves, let me first show you a few examples. So cloud links are links from cloud web services. So for example, from Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud. There's a bunch of these cloud services that allow you to have links on there. And here are a couple of examples. So this one is from Google Cloud. As you can see, it's a full HTML page where you can write whatever you want and link out to your website. You can also add an image. Here's one from Amazon Web Services, Amazon Cloud. Again, a link back to your site. We can see it is, in fact, a Dofollow link. Then this one is from Microsoft Azure's Cloud. As you can see, it's a full HTML editor. It allows you to add an image, links, bold text. This one is from IBM Cloud, so IBM's Cloud. This one is from Backblaze, again, HTML editor. This one's from Bitbucket. This one's from Github. And this one is from Netlify, okay? So all these you see here are the ones I have here as examples. And let us just double check here the metrics. As you can see, the domain authority is high and the page authority starts at 41. So you're getting a link, a Dofollow link, from an indexable URL, which has a page authority starting at 41, which you can then manipulate to higher values. And let's just double check the one from Google, and I'll move on to the slides after this. As you can see, again, DA93, PA43, super high. So let's just focus on this right now. So why are cloud links good? These are links that come from trustworthy companies. As you can see, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and a bunch of others, GitHub, IBM, a bunch of other trustworthy sources. And these domains, like we saw here right now, have extremely high metrics, which we can increase later on if we do a GSA blast, which I'll run through in a second. Then they're cheap to create. Okay, of course you have to have these cloud accounts all set up, but they're really cheap to create. Then not many competitors have these types of links, which means your link portfolio will become more diversified than the ones from your competitors, which is always a plus. And then again, something I didn't include here, there's our Dofollow and indexable, which I might as well include because it's really important. So Dofollow and indexable links. And again, let's not forget the thing that's written here. The domains have extremely high metrics, so you start with a PA of 43. Of course, metrics are something that we shouldn't put all of our focus on, but they do to some extent measure the value and the power of a link, of course. Now, let's just go here before we go to the cloud stacking. So this is your money site. You're having links from trustworthy properties, so the Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, and then the cloud stacking is the process of building strong backlinks using HTML pages, which are these ones right here. So these are HTML pages on cloud hosting services, just like we saw. So Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, whatever, all these ones up here and the ones that are here in this diagram, and then interlinking them between each other. So, and this is where the diagram comes in. So this cloud link from Amazon could have a link from Microsoft's Azure Cloud pointing to it. Okay, so the idea here is to interlink all of these between each other. You don't have to worry about any penalization or anything. You can interlink these ones without any issues. So what you're doing is creating like a powerhouse of a bunch of high authority links from trustworthy sources, all pointing back to your site. You can have map embeds, you can have video embeds, you can have anything you want. It's an HTML editor. You can put there anything you want, basically. You can also link to your GMB, of course. Let me put it here. So all of these can link to your GMB. So you can have a map embed, you can link to it. If you want to rank YouTube videos, this is also a great tactic. And then, like I was saying before, you can power up all of these so you can increase the base PA. So this is the base page authority with 0 links built to it. This is the default you get. Just when you create the link, that's the default you get. So if you want to increase this value, what you do is you just blast a bunch of GSA links to these properties, as you can see here, to the IBM, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and these will increase the base metrics in regards to PA. And that's basically it. It's a simple video, but I just wanted to talk a bit about what are cloud links and what is the stacking what the stacking in regards to these links mean. So it would be this one linking out to this one, for example. And again, all these are super powerful links to have on your link portfolio to get a bit more diversified and get a bunch of cheap, powerful links sent to your website. And if you want to get some, you just go to connect.co/cloud